Alright, ladies and gentlemen, once again as well, welcome to the last day of the Malaysia Auto Show exhibition happening at the MAEPS SERDANG for this wonderful Sunday. Alright, so for any one of you who are also joining us at this NETA booth, feel free to drop by as we are also introducing to you the NETA V, the touchable smart EV, and that is also the only affordable EV that you can grab it right now. Over here as well, like for the NETA V, this is also comes with a beautiful and also delicate appearance, as you can also check yourself out, like for the sporty look that gives you the presence, especially when you are also on the road. Alright, so for any one of you who are also joining us in this NETA booth, right, feel free to drop by, alright, feel free to come over here and you can also get yourself a closer look, as like for the NETA V happening right here. That is also the highlight for today. That comes in 5 colors for you to choose from. Over here, that is also the Kian and also the Midnight Grey, and that is also the 2 color options. And we are also having another 3 color options for you to choose from, like for the White Storm, the Sky Blue, and also the Sakura V. Over here as well, alright, once you can also just feel free to open up the car doors, alright, and also you can also feel the entire sensation, the comfort, especially when you hop onto the NETA V. You can see it is also perfect for any of the high-tech minimalists with this black interior color. And apart from that as well, it also do comes with the 40.6 inch of the telematic screen that provides you the navigation and also the key driving information with this phone projection either on your iOS or also on your Android. Over as well, ladies and gentlemen, like for this NETA V, also do comes with the 12 inch of the instrument screen. Alright, so you can also get yourself the command control, the central control, and also all of your key driving information, the navigation, especially on the road, like for the NETA V right here. Alright, so for you to accelerate from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour, that NETA V only consumes up to 7.8 seconds for you to do so. Alright, and also with a single full charge of the fast charging, alright, you can also travel up to a maximum range of 380 kilometers. Alright, that is also just for one single charge. You can also use it for your urban commuting for a week. Over here as well, alright, for this NETA V of the fast charging, from 30% to 80%, that only consumes up to 30 minutes only. As you can also check yourself out, especially for the comfort and also for the sensation of this NETA V. Right, miss? Alright, come on. Alright, feel free to open up the car doors, the car boots, and you can also just check yourself out. Especially with this ergonomic of the zero gravity seats that provides to you the pressure distribution, and also with this high quality of the fabric, where you can also get yourself the comfort and also to avoid the fatigue and also the tightness, especially when you are on the long distance journey together with us. Alright, so with that, I'm going to go ahead and do actually right now for our NETA V. We are also offering to you at a price of 99,888, but a very special and also big deal for all of you. Malaysia Auto Show exhibition 2023. We are giving to you a special gift of 10,000.
Macam motor polis. Macam motor polis.
Ya, sebab ini kita orang tambah lah.
Oh.
Tidak, kalau biasa dia body saja.
Boleh on ke?
Lampu?
Ha.
Boleh? Ya, boleh.
Nak ambil video boleh?
Boleh.
Dia kena bawa